Hello, this is Jason Hodges from AgTerra. In this video, we are going to review how to download the MapItFast app from the Google Play Store. So here in my tablet in front of me, I have the MapItFast app. So how do I get this on my device? Well, first thing you're going to do is go to the home page of your mobile device, and you should have a button somewhere on your pages that says Apps. If you click on that, from here you're going to look for the Play Store. Now on my device and some other Android devices, the Android has already categorized that button inside of a Google folder. On yours it may not, but here's what it looks like. It looks like a little turquoise triangle with red and yellow, and it will say Play Store on there. This is what you're looking for. So you're going to click on that when you're online, and that's going to bring you to the Google Play Store, and you'll just type in MapItFast, all one word. So from here, it'll take you to the app. Now mine is already installed. For yours, it'll ask you to install the app. You'll just click on that, wait for a few minutes for it to download and install. And then when you're ready, it'll switch from saying install to open. Click on that and you're ready to go. Thank you very much. It's been Jason Hodges on how to install the MapItFast app on your mobile device.